We'll guide you through how to fix and stop Spotify playing random songs. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Spotify. It can go and be frustrating and annoying when Spotify starts playing random songs. So we'll guide you through how you can go and fix this and stop it. Make sure it's his full guide and don't skip ahead, as you may go and miss an important part of this, as I'm covering different ways you can try doing it. So without any other further ado, let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to come into Spotify as we currently are. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and open up the music player. So tap on what's currently playing at the bottom. What you need to do is come to the bottom left. And the first reason this can be happening is due to the mode you're listening in. So if you go and tap it in the bottom left, that'll go and turn it off, and tap it again and again and again. And you're going to go and see this is normal mode. You've got shuffle, tap it again, and that's smart shuffle with that star. And that star can go and start playing other songs Spotify goes and thinks that you may like, and they can be a bit random. So you can try going and changing that mode there, perhaps just to shuffle or no shuffle, and go and see if that goes and solves the problem for you. If it still doesn't and you're getting random music, press your profile icon in the top left, go down and press settings and activity. You then need to go down and find the option for playback and scroll down to autoplay. And it says similar content will play once your listening ends, and turn that off. That's it. Hopefully that resolves the problem.